Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. Let's go in. Voila. We have a package. Package came with a brush. We have bows because y'all know everybody's rocking bows now. I got this size and also these two small ones. I did get a little bag with some nail, a 3D cap, and the wig band, of course. So this is to complete your wig install, which is gonna be super easy. Now this is the wig, and this, I'm excited. It's 24 inches. It's a V-part wig, and everything, the wig is secure. The wig is secure, but I am excited because of this color. Now this is a easy. This is one of the easiest way to wear wigs. You guys know we're definitely gonna cut this part off. They just made the attachment when stitching the wig. We know this is how we used to rock our hair when we do sewing. So basically this is just simplifying a sew-in for you. I love this hair because it is beautiful. The color at the ends is absolutely amazing. 24 inches, and it feels so natural. I cannot wait to install this. Already have a band attached, of course. It has comb on the side, on this side, and another comb on this side, and one in the back. I love that. But look what Nadula did. There is, look at that, guys. So if the wig is too big, they're upgrading stuff where you can pull your wig for it to be snug on your head. I love this. This is amazing. Now, no more big wigs, okay? There's clips for the V part. So you put these in, sloops. Like me, I'm not gonna braid my hair, so that's gonna work perfect. But I wanna show you guys the color of the wig. How cute it is. Yes, I love how the color falls in from the natural color, comes all the way down. And at the front, there's some color at the front. So we're gonna definitely go and install this wig right now. But Nadula, you did that. I love this. I love it. And it's 24 inches. I love the color. It's giving me a vibe. It's summertime. We need something to brighten the day, okay? It seems like it's like a number 30. It falls from a natural color all the way down. But it's beautiful. It's gonna match me. And this color is gonna match any complexion. So let's go to install. Hey guys, it's time to install this wig. Can you guys believe that this wig is so simple? I am thinking I should just do my makeup and come back, voila, and be like, girl, let's just slide this on. 2 minutes and we're out the door. I feel like that's something that I want to do because it's a V wig, V part, super easy. So I'm gonna do my makeup. Yes, let's do our makeup and come back. I'm not gonna do nothing to my hair more than pull it back because we're gonna do the leave out for the, let's do the makeup. I'll be back. All right, makeup is done, guys. This is the wig. It fell just now, but look at the color. This wig need nothing. Like, I literally pull it on like this. I don't even think we need to go through and do anything. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's prep our hair first. This is insane. This is insane. Like, I cannot believe how insane this is. Look at that. We can create edges, okay? I cannot wait to fix the top. Nothing is needed. Like, all you need to do is fix your face, do your makeup, and you're good to go. So, and then it seemed like this company, Nadula, know that my hair color is not black. So they sent the perfect wig.
It drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad.
Alright, y'all, this is it. Oh, Nadula, I love this. All right, y'all, this is completely the look. That's my hair, okay? Like how bouncy it is. I love the color. Ah, I love it. Absolutely love what it's given. This is in 24 inches. I did went and cut the front a little bit, and I cut some on the ends. You see that color around the back? So gorgeous. And you can curl this hair. You can do whatever you want. Anything you want to do, it can do, okay? I love this. It looks so natural. I feel like for a V-part wig to be this texture, it's gonna look like your natural hair. So thank you to Nadula. Love how this turned out. And I don't know, I think y'all know my hair color because this blend all the way in. It blended, okay? All the way in with the natural hair color. I can do whatever I want. Look at that. It is so freaking cute. And then my hair is at the top. The leave out. Oh, it is beautiful, y'all. So thank you to Nadula Hair. You see that? Looks all natural. For sending this beautiful wig. Everything will be in the description bar down below. So make sure you guys check it out. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Okay? Okay?
Different when I'm sitting there alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different.